So these 3 tactics will make your loyalty customers buy more. So this is a loyalty email from PetSmart. I'm going to do a walkthrough of why I like this email, the pros, the cons, what insights we can get from this to help your business, to help your customers. So the first thing that I like about this is the hero, where we have the points, the number of points that the customer has, and the cash value if they were to redeem these points. The next section is the progress bar, where it showcases where the customer is. So in this example, this customer is in the member section. They have the ability to move up to the bestie, the VIPP. It also showcases the points needed for that customer to get to the next level. It also has the CTA, where it leads the customer to their account to see more information on their points. The next section, what I like, is the treats rewards section, where it showcases different types of value propositions. Values, for example, where you have the ability to book services, that access offers through the app, the ability to activate these offers, sign up for texts, etc. So these 3 sections, the points, the progress bar, the rewards, all of that drives engagement, drives brand recognition, drives that connection with the customers and the business. So what do you need to build this loyalty email? So you will need a customer loyalty and engagement platform that allows real-time syncing of loyalty data, points, tiers, redemption progress to show in the email. There's a lot of platforms out there. You have to pick which one's best for you. I would consider this a really high level of effort, just because you have to set up that integration and also do a lot of QA testing to make sure everything renders accurately in real time. You have to test different types of scenarios. What if the customer has 0 points? What would that email look like? What would an email look like if the customer is a bestie and they're trying to get to a VIPP? How would that experience look like? Some testing ideas you can get from this is you can build an automated email flow that targets users who haven't moved up a tier within a defined window, like 30 days or 60 days. So let's say you're still a member and it's been 30 days and you still haven't moved up to a bestie. How can we get you to move up to that next level? Another testing idea is that you can recommend different types of products that are eligible to buy with your points. You can have a section here at the bottom of recommended products based on the user's taste, behavior. This loyalty email, I would give it a 5 out of 5. You definitely want a loyalty email just because you want to connect your customers to the business and give them a reason why they should continue to buy from you. So if you have any questions on how to build a loyalty email, the strategy, the execution, let me know. Put it in the comments. My name is Michael. Thank you for watching.